Welcome to Whimsy Stamps and thanks for stopping by. I'm Lisa and today I'm bringing you Whimsy Stamps July 10th release. Please stay tuned for this month's giveaway details and design team samples, but for now, let's have a look at our first product in the new release. Today's product reveal begins with the Otter Variety Clear Stamp Set and coordinating outline dies. Now the dies are sold separately. You can see here that we have 4 adorable otter images ready to help you celebrate. Plus, you're getting 6 sentiments in this set. Our next set is Otter Variety 2, and outline dies are available for this set, sold separately. With 4 more cute otter images, you can easily mix and match these sets. I love the little otter floating in the water with his paw up, so cute, and the sentiments are adorable as well. Let's keep things rolling with Sushi time. This set is so cute with 9 sushi-related images and 2 bold sentiments. Now, a few of the design team members have created some adorable cards with these images. Be sure to follow them on their social media for inspiration using the Sushi Time stamp set. I'm loving this next stamp set for those punny sentiments, mushroom in my heart. This is such an adorable stamp set for creating scenes, using masking. The sentiments in it are a lot of fun as well, like this sentiment, happy birthday to a fun guy. I just love that. Be sure you pair this with the previously released Build a Fairy Garden die set. There are some large mushrooms in that set that are going to go great with this while you're building scenes. Next, we have the Magic Wheel Flower stamp set. This will go great with the new interactive Magic Wheel die set I'm introducing shortly. Of course, it's a beautiful stamp set that can be used with any Whimsy Stamps round dies like the Scallop Circle frame dies or Pierced and Stitched Circle die set. And I really like the sentiments in this set. Wishing you the most splendid day, sending happy thoughts your way. These sentiments are perfect for everyday use. Now that brings us to the last stamp set in this release, the Magic Wheel 5x7 stamp set. This is such a fun stamp set filled with images and sentiments that can be used on their own to create randomly stamped backgrounds or with any round die, but they were made to pair with the new Magic Wheel die set. Let's have a look at it. Introducing the Magic Wheel die set designed by Jennifer Dove. Now this die set creates an interactive card with a spin. So be sure to follow Jennifer on her social media to check out all of her amazing samples she created with this die set. So that's going to be a wrap on this reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details for the July giveaway. Now Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. To be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. And each month, a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video in the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below. And if you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. YouTube seems to really like those things. Now you can click the links below to head on over to Whimsy Stamps online shop and have a look around. Take care. And until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.